Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making turkey. However, we're going to make this basically different than I have ever made it before. Here's what I'm going to do. Because I do not know how I'm going to have to use this turkey because of everything which is going on right now, we're just going to salt and pepper the turkey and then roast it. I am roasting it in my roasting pan. I do have my oven preheated at 325 degrees. You need to check for the size of your turkey. For my 10-pound, I think it's 10-pound turkey, it is going to be for about 2.5 to 3 hours until it's done. Really easy. First, I'm going to salt it and pepper it, and that's it. Simply because I know for a fact, well, I don't know for a fact, but I'm not sure how I'm going to use this turkey. And I'm also going to salt and pepper the pan, so that way I don't have to salt and pepper the bottom side of it. Put that in there. Then I'm going to put in all the other pieces. Okay. I'm going to cover this, take that over to the oven, and roast it for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Then take the lid off. Well, actually, I'm going to roast it for about 2.5 hours. Take the lid off for the last half hour to brown it. But I want to stress, the reason I am not doing anything major to this is because I'm going to be using this turkey for other things coming up. And I don't want to have to compete with the different flavors that you might add to your turkey that could overpower it. So there's going to be no herbs, no anything. It's just going to be turkey. I also know that I'm going to be using the broth from this turkey for other things. Once again, didn't want to have to compete with that. So let's put this into the oven and we will roast it for about 2.5 hours, then take the lid off. Everything is out of the oven, it has slightly cooled, and this is the real reason why I did this. Because now I have turkey that has no other flavor except for turkey. I have turkey broth, which has no other flavor except for turkey juices, which has no other flavor except for that of the turkey salt and pepper. There are no other competing flavors, no other competing anything with this, because I've done the flavored herbs, the flavored turkey with herbs, and teriyaki and all those things. But this way I can use this turkey for anything, and I mean literally anything, and you're going to see all those things coming up. But this is really important because I don't know how much of this turkey I'm going to have to use, when, where, how, why. This way I have just a turkey which is just turkey flavored. And you're saying,
well, what's the point of that?
This is so easy. It is all done. We're going to have turkey for dinner tonight. Then you will see recipes using pieces of this turkey later on. But okay, let's give this a taste. That did not need any extra anything. So easy to do. You can do this no matter what you have. Just follow the regular cooking instructions. It just took no time. And think about this. Turkey broth, turkey, giblets. I can make gravy. I can make all sorts of different dishes, which I said you will see coming up. Well, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at Coleman Home. I know that these are tough times right now. I know that there's a lot going on, and this is why I did this, to show that you can do this. You can do all of these things and then have this extra meat so that you can use it for those days when you don't feel like cooking, when everything just gets really rough. You have something that you can just take out of the freezer, defrost, and mix into anything. You can make turkey quesadillas, you can make turkey whatever. It's all done. It has no extra flavor to it, so you can put it into whatever you want, however you want to use it. And that's going to become really important. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.